Hey guys, how's it going? This is Basmah Masood. Thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be quickly teaching you how to edit your photographs on any editing app. I like to use VSCO, Snapseed, and Lightroom, but in today's tutorial, I'm going to be editing some photographs on VSCO. So without further ado, let's get this started. I have already, I'm going to go and record this. I've already added a few photographs into my VSCO library, and I'm just gonna pick a photograph, pick up this one, and I'm just gonna edit it really quickly. I'm gonna set my timer to 3 minutes, and here we go. First. Contrast goes up a little bit. Clarity goes up. I'm gonna go down to blues because that's my main color that I see here. I'm gonna make it a little greener, a little darker from here, and I'm gonna bring down the lightness just a little bit. Now that that is done, I'm gonna take up the green, maybe make it a little less green, and then yeah, that works. And with the yellows, just wanna make it brighter, this whole photograph. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Now for the blues, I do notice that the sky is turning crazy weird. So I'm just going to let it stay there. And then just the orange ever so slightly. Now that that's done, I need some shadows. So I'm gonna go ahead and add an orange just so that it gets a little bit of that vintage feel. And then highlights. I'm gonna take them down just a little bit, only because, well, you don't have to do this, but I like to do this in my photographs. I like it when the highlights are a bit lower. Bump up the sharpness. And last up, I'm just going to adjust the photograph a little bit. I purposely took a crooked photograph because I wanted to have like half of it. If you are, heads up, if you're going to put this photograph on Instagram, you should probably crop it before Instagram crops it for you, because when Instagram crops it, it basically destroys your photograph quality. So here we go. And here's the before, and here's the after. And I still have 1 other minute to go. So there you have it, guys. Towards your left is the before and towards your right is the after. As you can see, not a lot has changed in this photograph, except for the colors and the hues, as in the tones of the temperature of the entire picture. But other than that, there was a lot that I could have changed in this picture that I would have wanted to. For example, the rustic marks on the bumper, or just cleaning up the glass. But obviously, that's what I'm trying to say, is there's a huge difference in editing a photograph on your computer versus editing a photograph on your phone, because the apps have limited tools and they let you do a set amount of things only. So guys, if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, you can go down in the comment section and let me know what you thought about this video, if it was helpful. What else would you like to learn? I am putting up another video next week that is going to help you use the VSCO filters to edit your photographs. If this was hard for you, that video is coming up next week. But in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care. Bye.